So let's see how the MailChimp integration works. The integration takes someone who signs up to a form on your funnel and puts them inside of a MailChimp list so that you can automate your communication with that contact. All right, so let's see how it works. First thing you need is you should create a segment because the integration will look for people who are inside of the segment. So let's do a demo segment, for example. And let's say I only want contacts who are, for example, interested in pets to get inside this segment. So those contacts, I would give them the pets tag. So let's save this segment too, because I've already got another segment that's called demo segment. All right. So next, what you want to do is set up your form. So let's go ahead and create a new funnel. And let's check what we can use here. Let's go with this one. And let's just collect leads. MailChimp demo. Okay, so now I have a squeeze page and a thank you page. In this squeeze page, we have this form. So what you need to do here is you want to have everyone who signs up through this form be tagged with the pets tag, okay? That way they get inside of the demo segment that we have just created, and then we are going to connect them on MailChimp through the MailChimp integration. So what you need to do here is go to the action button of your form and look for the tags here. Now in here, you want to give the same tag that you have set up in your segment, all right? So let's save that and preview it. Before I preview, I need to set it to published. Okay, now once you preview, you are going to be able to sign up and you will see that your contact is added to the contacts, and it will have the pets tag. All right. So next, what you need to do is go to apps and open your MailChimp integration. And you need to create a new connection between your segment and your MailChimp list. Click Add Connection, and then this is the list that I want. It's called Lightfunnels. That is on MailChimp. And in here, I want to connect the segment that I want. So just select the segment that you want and then create connection like this. All right. So that's how you would connect your segment of contacts to your MailChimp list. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our support team.